Today we're in Gran Canaria and we're going to look at the Christmas market. So this side is the beach and this side is the Christmas market. Let's have a look. So the first stall seems to be like cookies. Cookie. So it's claiming everything's €5 there, so. And also next door, €5, very cheap. Getting the full saleswoman treatment there. Anyway, I think she might have bought it. This is some gold or silver. They are. I think these are like old LPs or albums, whatever year you were born. There's one in Liverpool there. Look. Liverpool. And there's the beach. Some pots of jam there. Some pots of jam. So you get the idea, there's plenty of stalls. Some nice stall there. There's some dishes. There's some bread bakery, and that's the last stall. So, or is it? I can hear a generator. What's that? One of these smoothies they're called, I think. Smoothies. Well, I really don't know the story there. So a small smoothie is $2.50. A large one is €5. What those bamboo things are, I don't know. To the beach. So in the distance you can see the surface. Let's see if we can zoom into them. There they are, surfers surfing USA. Well, we're actually in Gran Canaria, but we can kid ourselves, so thank God we're not in the USA. Donald Trump. So in a few days it'll be Christmas. And then it'll be the new year. And we'll all be happy. So there's your brief look into Gran Canaria, 3 days before Christmas. Great to be here. Come here and enjoy yourself. So thanks for watching. Have a great time. Bye.